In this week's material, we're dealing with hypothesis testing for two populations or two samples. We're going to match that in the case study by looking at whether or not the average number of deaths for females is the same as the average number of deaths for males. In order to do this, we're going to need to run some statistics under our z-statistic to sample with data, and we're going to need to use this where statement. So sample 1 and sample 2 are both going to be in the deaths column, but we want to say where gender is equal to, and I'm putting in quotes because this is text, female for sample 1, and in this case where gender is equal to male for sample 2. Once you have that typed in, click Next. We're going to do a hypothesis test to determine if the means are the same, so the mean difference is 0. First is that they're not, so we'll use this not equal to. And when we're done, we'll click Calculate. And here we get our test statistic and p-value. Now you'll be asked some questions regarding this procedure that we've just performed. And also you'll be asked to replicate this, only instead of doing a hypothesis test, you'll be choosing the confidence interval selection. So you'll do the same thing here, follow this, and when you select Next, you'll be using the confidence interval to produce a confidence interval for the difference of the means.